All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the March Base Box for BoxyCharm. Y'all know I have been a longtime subscriber of BoxyCharm for years, and I'm so grateful that they actually send me these every single month so I can share what's in them with you guys. So let's see what we have. All right, so if you are not aware, you can actually get the base box for $27.99 a month. There's also a premium and a luxe box that you can spend up to $59.99 a month and get some incredible things, but we're gonna go through the base box. Each box comes with a little card that lays out every single product, what's exciting about it, if it's a Boxy exclusive, and it also gives you the retail value. So you will quickly find out that everything in this box is worth way more than what you pay. The first thing we have is the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer, a cooling water-based gel moisturizer that smooths, hydrates, and illuminates skin, prepping you for makeup that looks and feels its best all day. Ultra-fine pearls give a soft, lit from within glow. So this costs $26 itself. So right here, we pretty much have the entire box paid for. Let's get in here and see what the product actually looks like. Okay, so this is beautiful. I actually don't own anything from Rare Beauty, so I'm actually really excited to see. I mean, look at how pretty that is. So sleek. It's all matte. That's absolutely beautiful. Let's pump some on, oh my word, on the back of my hand. You guys. Okay, now I want to try this. I wish I didn't have a full face of makeup on. All right, so I'm going to compare the side that I have it on to the side that I don't, you guys. That is incredible. This is so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And the packaging is top notch. All right, next up we have the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. So this is what these look like. And I've actually had these before in a BoxyCharm. So I actually know that I like these. It does say marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, smooth, plump, and brighten like nothing else. If you are looking for dewier, fresher looking peepers, use this ASAP. So this actually retails for $49. Let me open this up and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the packaging. I love a good under eye mask, you guys. Like, I love them. So it does come with a little spatula if you need help getting the product out. And then a little protector, and you guys, they are blue. Oh my gosh, so satisfying. I cannot wait to use these. It's been quite some time since I have. So next up, we've got the Luxie Florals brush set. It says soar into spring with a new brush set featuring 4 new brushes, a 219, which is an eyeliner, 205 tapered blending brush, 213 eye shading brush, and 211 concealer brush, a detailed blender sponge, and a pastel purple pouch. So this actually retails for $40 by itself. The bag is actually super cute. So we've got this sponge in here. Obviously, I haven't tried this yet, so I will let you guys know what I think. And then we've got the 4 brushes, which these I can already tell you will be used. Absolutely. Look at those. They look so nice. Let's go ahead and take them out and feel them. I pulled out the tapered blending brush. This is the 205. And I can tell you right now, this is going to be a great brush. I love the way that it feels. This is actually going to replace probably this one, because this one has seen its better day. All right, next up we have the Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. I love their packaging. I think it's so fun. It's so, so cute. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand, so this will be the first time that I will. This is an active brightening vitamin C mask that multitask. Natural and cruelty-free. It's packed with vitamin C, rich cockadoo plum. Did I say that? I don't know. To reveal your brightest, clearest skin. It dissolves your top layer of dead, dull, damaged skin with papaya and pineapple extract along with lactic, glycolic, and salicylic acids. A sophisticated formula. It's got more than one move. Use the vitamin C for acne, hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines. You don't need that overpriced serum. So this retails for $19.95. And after reading that, I'm gonna tell you right now, like, I wanna go take off my makeup and put this on my face. I'm excited. So because it is like a baby peel, I'm probably not gonna put it on my skin because I really want to make sure like I have it all on my face. I'm super excited about it. So it does come in a pump, which we love, a good pump. And this is a 1.69 fluid ounce bottle. I am really excited to try this, and it's not tested on animals. I love that. Last but not least is going to be the Conrad Beauty the liquid eyeliner. Line your lashes with rich color that stays true through wear with its lightweight, non-smearing formula. So this retails for $20, and this is actually a new brand to BoxyCharm, so that's always exciting to see new brands in here. Let's see what she's got. All right, so this is in the shade Onyx, which I would assume is black. And the packaging is really simple. I think that's really, really pretty. Let's take a look. I'm gonna try to shake it. That's not good. I am gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not sure that this is gonna be my favorite. I am gonna give it a fair shot because it has just been laying in the box and it's not been pinned side down. But quite frankly, it took me like a couple swipes to get that. I'll show you guys here. It like kind of fades out. So I don't know if that's just because it's been laying sideways. Maybe the product needs to come to the tip. If I overline it, it ends up working. But I'll have to test this out, store it, tip side down, and kind of see what happens there. All right, so let's do a quick little recap about everything we had in this box and kind of what I thought about it. We have the Rare Beauty Primer. So far, I absolutely love the glow that is on the back of my hand, so I am actually really excited to try this. The Generation Skin Algae Eye Patches, I've used these before. I love them, so this is definitely a hit for this. The Luxie Beauty Brush Set. You can never go wrong with Luxie Beauty brushes, and the fact that they're 4 brand new brushes and a sponge, like this is definitely a win. The Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. Y'all, I am hype about trying this. Like I might have to go take my makeup off and do it right now. This is definitely, like, I don't even know if it works yet, but I'm really excited about it. This was definitely a miss for me, a little bit of a fail. This was the Conrad, the eyeliner in the shade Onyx. It didn't do it for me. All right, you guys, so that is everything in the March base box that I got from BoxyCharm. Definitely some things in here I will be using, definitely some things that I will not be using, but that is the beauty of BoxyCharm, is that you get to try so many products at such an affordable price. Don't forget, your base box is only going to be $27.99 a month. You get 5 full-size products for only $27.99. It is absolutely insane. And then you do have the option to grab the premium or the Luxe box for either $39.99 or $59.99 if you want more products for a better deal. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your favorite products are, what you got in your BoxyCharm, and I will see you guys next time.